Full screen is not working in VirtualBox. Let's see how to fix it. Now go to Devices. Then insert the Guest Edition CD image. Then you need to install VirtualBox Windows Editions. I am using 64-bit format. Now your VirtualBox will reboot. Now go to full screen mode. Now it works.